We're here at the Luang Prabang night market. We're trying ramen for the first time. We've got these Cornish pasties for like 50p for 5. Really nice. So, we're getting a motorbike. Izzy's organised the whole day out for us, and I don't know what's going to happen. Where will we end up? Where will we go? I want to know, where do we go? We're just getting a bike now. So walk past these fish. Oh, it's still on the sticks. Might be the same ones from yesterday. Maybe like a rat or crocodile.
It smells good.
Yeah, but it's only like 10 in the morning. Oh, little market down here actually. Izzy's brought us to a buffalo farm. Not another buffalo.
Not another one, what do you mean?
From that.
That wasn't a buffalo farm, that was a duck stock.
Which had a buffalo. What are we going to do in here? I think we're going to eat some buffalo cheese, milk a buffalo, bathe with a buffalo, swim in its shit. That's about it. Oh my god, they're baby pigs. Hello!
They know in Laos we have many buffalo, but we don't have any buffalo farm. So they come here, they started business 2015, and then until now. I think around 8 years.
Here they are, little baby pigs. How old is this pig?
I think this around 7 months.
So,
Around 10 euro per day.
Oh!
Oh!
This one's hungry.
Yes, I think so.
They're not bothered.
It's too hot.
They're too hot.
Yes.
Nope. Gotta force it to them out. Nope. He's eating.
Yeah, them two are. Look at that one there, look how dirty his face is.
The small one around 1 month, and the big one around going 2 months. And that one 2 months and a half.
Baby pig. Look at them all going to the gap.
In your country, normally about around 4 months. 1, 2, 3, retiring.
Oh. Oh, stinky.
Then let when before they touch over stomach.
Oh.
We have water over there. We have sink over there.
It's okay. Oh, he's true. Oh my god. He ate my shoelaces.
They like to smell because can reduce scare, can reduce stress.
No, he's happy.
Oh, well, she's soft. Oh, she's so soft.
Yeah, that one's a bit dirty. This one's nice and clean.
Oh.
Let's give this guy one. Hey! Really, bro?
Oh. That is so cute.
Try it with that one.
It just has.
Oh.
It just collapsed.
Oh, fighting. What about the big one? Does he roll over too? Is this a girl or a boy?
Female.
Female.
Are they all females?
Yes.
So big though. Her fur's like
She is
really sharp.
3 years old.
3.
Grandma.
Oh. Hey.
That's so cute.
It's so tiny.
Yeah.
It just wake up.
Bye bye, piggies.
And they have a lot of cat also. Around 15
15 cats. Wow.
cat farm. So, she knows buffalo.
It looks so strange.
She waiting for you.
Oh,
And it's like,
Do you want to try?
Oh, go on then. How long does it take to fill up this then? How long does it take to fill this?
Do you mean how
How long to fill to the top?
the full, right?
cat wants
I don't know. Around 12 minutes, I think. Then like,
Wait, what do I
You
do?
got pull and squeeze.
Oh, it's so weird. Is that too hard? I
no,
feel like I'm
I
pulling
think
him too
stand on
hard.
the top like this and then squeeze. And I'm so sorry. I'm there. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So yeah, stand on the top, squeeze, and then pull down.
Hey, it's actually quite hard to be honest. A little bit.
Or maybe I think this one is better.
Look at this, Izzy. Whoa. I feel like I'm just ripping it off. I can't even do it. Am I doing something wrong?
Yep. Squeeze, and I think you have to squeeze hard a little bit.
Okay, I got a little bit.
Yes. And
Oh, it's harder than you think. So I mean, we haven't even got anything out of it.
Not a tiny bit.
He's got no milk left in him.
okay.
We're just bad at this.
Like this, sir. Take your finger.
Okay, I got a little bit.
Yes, it's better. Yeah.
Fly
Nothing.
on me.
Yep. Yay! Good job.
That's not even enough to drink. It's hard.
It's really hard.
Wow. Wow, good job.
What is going on?
And now you know how to do.
It takes a long time.
Yes, I think about 12 minutes.
12 minutes, solid. Right, just
Okay,
hold
you'll
the,
go.
just hold the pot.
No, with your 2 fingers.
Nothing's coming out. I can't do it. I'm useless.
Yep. Stand on top, squeeze, and then pull down. I think hard a little bit, but squeeze and then pull down.
Nope. No milk left. Another buffalo. It's not coming out.
It's okay. And that one, her name is Lana. She is 2 years old. She is mixed out and Thai.
Oh, wow.
So her mom and his mom same, just different father.
Where is the best place to brush them? On their belly or
I think every direction.
everywhere?
And in your country, do you have any buffalo?
No.
No. Don't think we have any buffaloes.
But I think you have a lot of
Cows, yes.
Yeah, cows everywhere.
No buffalo.
Pigs. What else do we have?
Hello, mate.
Sheep.
Right.
Lots of sheep and goats.
Right there.
All of them.
Some people they call them water buffalo. Some people they saw them in the Mekong River and then they call them water buffalo. Blue eyes. Spraying blue eyes. Really big song. So sometimes if we have rain, so the ground over there will become like the mat. So they like to go that way to play the mat, and then they will use the mat to protect the sunlight and can make cool temperature for them.
Okay.
So this one is just Laos. So he has
Laos.
bigger horns.
Yes.
than-
We can see the difference, but he is mixed half and half, not 100%. This one 100%. But when we did here, I will take you to see the Mula 100%. The horn there.
So some are Lao, some are Indian.
Yeah.
Lao and Indian mixed together.
This for you.
Kabjai.
One day they can eat about 30 kilo per day. They can eat the glass. This glass we call napier glass. Pig, rabbit. Sometimes not enough, so we go outside for both this glass. For buy this glass.
Louis.
Get the one on the end.
He's just had a whole one to himself.
Well, quite this one.
So, in the baby.
So this is going to the baby. Or this guy. We feed these ones. Or this one.
This one.
Okay.
Because that one they have already food.
Come on. Yeah. He just ran here. Here we are.
Kuang Si, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm not sure.
Here we are at the Kuang waterfall. Just 30 kilometres outside of Luang Prabang. We've motorbiked here after the buffalo stop.
Which was on the way.
Let's go see a waterfall. If it's too busy, we'll come back again tomorrow. Foreigner. You're a foreigner. So there's some gift shops with like 100 taxis outside. Pay to park, pay to get in the waterfall. We get an electric shuttle to the waterfall. So hopefully it's as good as it seems. Most touristy thing I've seen yet in Laos. Don't know where it's taking us. It's a bear sanctuary as well apparently. Let's go check that out. So the shuttle bus dropped us off at all these little shops. Here we are, Kuang Waterfall Park. I think I'm saying it right. Baby monks. Oh yeah. That fish. Sabadi. Is that it? That's all the restaurants there is. Oh, we're at the end. Well, that was it. You can get a crepe. Oh, catfish. Just exploring the walking trail. These are our tour guides for the day. Kid monks. So the walking trail is actually a bear sanctuary. So we can see all these bears. So we paid £1 for a waterfall and a bear sanctuary. Whoa, nearly fell over. Where is the bear? That's mad. If the bear was here, you were really close.
That's a different one. There's another midget one in there.
Buying a shirt gives the food for a bear for 2 days, sorry. Thank you for visiting the bears. Kuang Si Bear Care Tour. The bear's skull. Sun bear. Moon bear. This is a polar bear's skull. What? blue this waterfall is. It's too hot today, we need to go for a swim. Just look how clear that waterfall is. Is that amazing?
That's beautiful. Wow.
All the way back. It's see-through. It looks like a swimming pool, like a jacuzzi. Grabbed an ice cream, keep us going. So you can swim down at the bottom, but as you come up you cannot swim in this area. Not sure on the reason why. Maybe it's dangerous. Oh my god. Wait, is it? Can you see that in the back?
Doesn't even look real.
Avatar.
Definitely the best waterfall I've ever seen. Probably won't see one like this again, ever. Unless it's fake.
Gee. Climbing to the top of the waterfall. Oh god. So we climbed to the top of the waterfall. There's no one up here because no one can be asked to climb. So you basically got your whole pool to yourself. Look how high we are. Let's go see. Go for a swim.
Go on then. What was that?
Jump. Sabadi, sabadi. Hey, can we get a picture? Way. I'm drowning. Okay, I can sit on here. I win. No, he won. He wins. Sabadi. How do we get out? Oh my god! I just did a backflip. All their clothes. Truly the maddest thing I think I've ever seen. We're at the top of a waterfall in the middle of the Lampavang with loads of monks, children monks, playing in the water. We've got a free foot spa in here as well. Got all these fish chewing on my feet everywhere. What's your thoughts on this waterfall? Is it your best waterfall you've ever been to?
Yeah.
And we haven't even been down the bottom to swim yet. This is right at the top. Go to the bottom soon. It's really deep over there. We're going on a little boat as well. There's a little boat that takes you to the source of the waterfall. Only 10,000, so about 40 pence each. So he said 15 minutes, so we're waiting for that. Oh my god, they're chewing my legs off. Actually hurts. Feels horrible. Cheers, 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 cheers. Oh, they're coming. They're like sharks hunting us down. They're actually coming for us. He's hench, he is as well. He's like 10 years old and he's got bigger muscles than me. Yeah? He's not even rowing, he's like hitting the rocks and dragging it along. This is the furthest I've been to.
It was mostly working. So
Yeah.
There's not really much to do there. It's a nice place.
we also
This is mad. Look at him.
Yeah.
we traveled around.
He's just
the
pushing it.
Oh, cool.
island. We just stopped by and forth.
He's just pushing the stick
Yeah, amazing.
into the floor to push us along. We made it to the source. We made it to the source of the waterfall. Get out. This is the source. How often do you think he does this? The source.
The river come from the tip and they come to the big waterfall.
Yes,
So
that's the start.
in a big cave, big cave deep 45 meter inside.
45 meter.
Wow.
Yeah, but to stop, no swimming, no jump, no diving.
Oh yes.
Danger. Name Lao Luang Prabang, start Kuang Si.
Kuang Si.
Name Lao.
That's the start of Kuang Si.
English the deer, ni water,
That's
waterfall.
a massive cave that's
But
like
to stop, no
40 meters
swimming,
deep.
no jump, no diving. Danger.
Looks nice from here. Oh, it's already on. Are you gonna jump? Foggy picture. Go let you first. I thought you were gonna jump too. Look, what was that?
Wait. Oh no! Oh my god, why does he do that all the time?
And he said he drank at his hostel and then they went to go to the bowling alley. Just outside the ground, I think.
Oh, not head first. Yeah, let's go climb.